Okay, people, this is just a little experiment. So, Linea, which is like a consensus L2. I don't know if you guys know who ConsenSys are, but they're like I don't know, the business arm of Ethereum. They handle, yeah, like dApps. They fund stuff and they help build it out. But basically, it looks like they're gonna do an airdrop at some point for people users of the testnet. Now, with airdrops, a lot of people have been getting or a lot of these L2s have been getting botted. So like there's people in certain countries. I won't name them got like armies of people in front of computers just basically botting out the airdrop so they get like a maximum amount of the tokens and then they just dump them on the market so those tokens become worthless. But here it's saying that excited to announce I'm a first class linear, I think that's how you spell it or say it, citizen, a campaign to combat bots, prioritize real user engagement in linear voyage. So they're basically saying that you have to do this galaxy.com quest to verify that you are in fact a real user and you're not a bot. So what I thought I'd do today is I'll just record me going through the process of trying to get, let's see, so I've clicked on this already and it's brought this up. This is a linear void quest. I'm a first class citizen, blah, blah, blah. And basically you get 2,500 points. But you have to verify the first, so there's certain tasks that you need to do. So to get a get coin passport score, so score equals 20. So then detail, let's see, takes me to Galaxy. I'm on the ZK Inc. Yeah, so my score is 0. So call to action. So I think if I click this, it will take me here. So I'm just going to go through, basically this video is just me going through the steps to show you how difficult or easy it is. So it says sign in with Ethereum. So if I click on that, I've got a feeling I've got to, yeah, load up my, my nano. Yeah, so it's going to say MetaMask. It's going to ask me to sign a transaction. So keep in mind, I'm doing this on the fly, yeah. So if this video might be a bit drawn out, but at least you get to see the steps and see me sign transactions, etc. See how it all works, and then potentially you could earn yourself an airdrop or verify yourself as a real user. So I'm just gonna sign here. Dang, I've just got to sign into my ledger. Anyway, thank you for all my views in my previous videos. YouTube's quite weird actually because it tends to like show that I've made like I got 1,000 views on one video and then it reduces over time. I don't know if anyone knows what that's about. But if you guys do have any information on that, that would be pretty cool to figure out what the hell's going on. I mean, I'm putting in the work. I'm trying to do videos like regularly, like every 3 days or something. Um, on airdrops and I think on Fridays I'll just do the news. It's just gonna be me rambling. If you want to check that out, if my voice isn't too annoying, then that'd be cool. Okay, so I'm signed into my ledger live. It's asking me to open my Ethereum app. There you go. It's just loading. There you go. So then I have to sign this transaction. There you go. So I'm in. Connection rejected. Click here, try again. Let's try again. It's interesting. Maybe it's because I'm on the wrong network. So what I need to do is cancel that. Go here. I'm going to go to Ethereum mainnet because at the moment I'm on ZK era. So you just say change between networks. There's not much money in there. Don't judge me. Let's try again. Sign over Ethereum. In there. Next. Connect. Connected. Brilliant. Okay. So now I need to sign here. I'm hoping it doesn't give away too much personal information. If it does, it does. There's not much for me to be hacked. I'm not exactly loaded. I've been in crypto since 2016, but life. People like to go on holidays. People like to do things. Yeah, I don't think I'll ever be like a millionaire from it, but I do love the technology, and I think just experimenting with it. Here we go, privacy recognition. The non-doc sentence. So this is basically identifying that I am in fact a real user. I think it's based on your address, so like the amount of transactions and experiments you do, like on chain. Get your unique humanity score. Okay, and click on verification. So let's try that. Okay, NFT holder, confirm. So these are all the stamps that I've earned. So I'm an NFT holder. I've done Snapshot, ZK Sync. I've used Lens. I've used ETH, Pope. Uh, okay, so I'm gonna confirm my stamps. So I'm just gonna cough. Okay, sign. Then you sign to verify that you are in fact you, and you do that. Bang. Okay. So confirm stamps. It's confirming. Have a sip of my juice. There you go, and I'm in. Maybe not sitting there. Okay, so now here it looks like you can connect to like verify yourself, make yourself even more human. So there's all these existing projects that you can verify that you do in fact use. So I can connect Getcoin. Let's see if that works. Connect. Contributed to? No, I haven't done that. I haven't contributed. Owner of one grant? No. So I can't connect to Getcoin because I'm rubbish and I don't donate to anybody. So that's fair. So let's try connect Twitter account. Encrypted. Yeah, do that. Tweet posts, more than 10, yeah. More than 100 followers, I do have that. I've got less than 500. If you want to get my follower numbers up, let's verify. 100. Can you click that? No, you can't click that. Okay. Let's see, verify. See if that works. So Twitter are going to ask me a question now. So then I authorize the Gitcoin passport to verify that I am who I am. And then that links me to. So it looks like I'm giving up a fair bit of anonymity. Yeah. By linking to my Twitter, but my Twitter's anonymous as well. Let's see what else I can verify on here. Got a Google account. I can verify my Discord. Do successful. Okay, now close that. Alright, let's verify my Discord. Yep, unencrypted. Verify that. Discord. Put a new mixtape. What? Okay. You sign that. It'd be cool if you could do it like all in one group. Apologies, I'm just oh, I've got to sign this transaction. Pay attention now. Come on, Obi. You got this. Okay. Close. I'm not going to do my Facebook. I've got a Facebook, but I don't think that's cool. Connect ENS. I've got ENS. So I assume you just do that and then connect. So it's just like verifying that you are in fact a real user, which is pretty cool. Like it would be nice to get an airdrop that isn't like botted by 10,000 non-users. Oh, okay. Let's try another wallet. Let's try this one. Maybe if I untick that, verify that one. Let's try that. Connect. Sign. Ah, here we go. So I can do add. Can I not go back? Wait, let's see this. So can I add all three of them at once? Probably not. Add. Verify. So I do have like an ENS, but it's attached to a separate name. So if you were to send any donations, if you just type in OB1 Coin Obi, my ENS name is attached to a different address than to the one that I use publicly to do transactions, buy NFTs, whatnot. It's just a better way of securing things. So I need to sign that. Apologies, guys. Let me sign that. I know this can be quite boring, but it's good to have this sort of knowledge. What I can do is just edit this stuff out. Okay, verify that. And also, none of these transactions are actually costing me any money. Well, I hope they're not. Do you know what I mean? So it's good that it's all free. It's gas free. So you just basically verifying things. I don't know why it's not. Okay, encrypted. Let's verify again. I don't know if this is actually sign. Come on, baby. Sign. Okay. Well, I don't know. So add. Let's try that. Add. So this basically potentially could mean that you could get more than one airdrop on a different address. It's kind of annoying that it's not all on the same address. I might have to attach because I've got other ENSs, or I could buy one and just add it to this. Okay, that's done, and I'll add if this one possessions. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, verify. Let's see if that verifies. Is it on the other address? Maybe I have to move some ETH over from, because I got some ETH on Optimism. If I put it in my other address, it might verify it. Doesn't seem to be working. try one more time, and then maybe I'll have to refresh the page. So you can see like it's quite cumbersome, and you've got to be quite persistent with it just to get the passport. Okay, it's not working. Okay, so let's see if it's actually done anything. Okay, it says verified. It says verified. If I click on here, click down, view JSON, manage stamp. Let me see. Oh, okay, so it hasn't. It says I haven't got at least one ETH in there, so that means I'm gonna have to move some ETH over there and then verify again because I do have some ETH. That's verified. Proof of humanity. Connect your wallet to start the process. Verify proof of humanity. Let's see. See if this works. Verify. I am in fact human. I have to prove it to a blockchain. It's interesting. If it says I'm a robot, then you should all worry. Yeah, maybe I am ChatGPT. No, it says I'm not. Okay, so it's not that one. If I do that, let's just try both. Connect. Yeah, so you can do two addresses at the same time. Try that. Sign it. Has it worked? Will it work? Oh yes, it's worked. There you go. Uh, add. So I can do. Hold on. Yeah. Oh, so I can do. Can I do add all? What's add all mean? Verify. Yeah, so it's pretty mundane. I might edit some of this out just because I know it's a bit long-winded, and I know people don't want to see me sit down sign in transactions. But I mean, part of this is just basically how you go about becoming a valid on here. So yeah, I'll just keep going. So maybe I'll pause the recording here. When I finish, I'll come back. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm done. So as you can see, I've verified my Twitter, Discord, Facebook. I'm not doing GitHub. I'm not a coder. Google, not really. LinkedIn, no one uses that. I've got ENS Pope. Proof of humanity is an interesting one. I'll try to verify, and it just wouldn't let me sign and verify. Um, ETH, position of ETH, transaction verification, snapshot, yeah. Let's see, NFT holder, yep. Lens, I've got a lens, ZK Sync and Coinbase, yeah. That's pretty much it. And I've got a score of 21.27, so that should give me enough points here to verify. So let's see if this. Right then, let's try that. Yep, done that. Okay, so let's see if I got this one. I think I got this one already. If you fulfill them. See if I get the details on this. See if I've actually. So you need to be a Galaxy passport holder. Have I got one of those? Use your Galaxy soulbound token. Mint your Galaxy passport. Yeah. Okay. So how do I mint it? Explore. So I have to passport. Let's try that. Switch chain. So this is a soulbound token. So if you don't know what a soulbound token is, basically it's some BNB chain. Ooh. Hold up a second. Effects. Why is it not main now? Okay, we're going to BNB chain. Oof. Mint now. So I've got to pay 0.25 BNB. Do I have that? I don't think I do. I don't own any BNB. Got it. Okay. That's not cool. Sign. Yeah, I've got 0 BNB, so it's not going to authorize the transaction anyway. So that's something else I have to do. Perhaps I can purchase that. It's going to say no, you didn't have the gas fee. That's strange that it's on BNB. Okay. Good, verifying. What gosh. Oh. Yeah. Alright, let's try. United Kingdom. Select. Choose one of the following options. Oh, they want to drive a license. Oof, 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 oof. That's not good for decentralization. You know, I'm gonna cancel that. Yeah, to be honest, like just from that Galaxy passport holder, they want, you know, yeah, they're asking for passport information, personal ID, all of that. Verify. I mean, I don't mind signing transactions to verify certain things, but man, like that's a bit much. I'm sorry. I'm not sure this is worth it, guys. To be honest, like, not that I've got anything to hide. Yeah, it's all on Binance. What is this? BNB chain. Take me back to mainnet, please. That's not anonymous at all. Okay, maybe I've made a mistake here. Alright, let's scroll down. Let's see, verify. Yeah, BSC scan. Guild pin holders. See, is it worth it though? So I verified, and it seems like it's a BNB type deal, Binance Smart Chain, and I don't really want to give any of my personal information to Binance. Not that I have anything against them, I've just never been a fan of the whole centralized exchange idea. So I think I'm going to abandon it here. I mean, it's up to you, but basically showing you the steps on how to get the 2,500 points, which potentially could lead to an airdrop. It's strange that ConsenSys is so in line with Binance, and yeah, I mean, they could have done it on any other L2, or they could have done it on their own L2. So yeah, I'm just going to leave it here. Like I said, yeah, if you want to check it out, I'll put a link to yeah, I'll put a link to it here where you can go to. Yeah, I'll just copy and paste it, and you guys can take it from there. But for me, I think I'm out. A developer ready ZK powered by ConsenSys, enabling the next generation of Ethereum builders, which is fine. You know, I mean, it says ConsenSys, so why do I have to verify everything through Binance? Yeah, start testing. So you can start testing. So you can actually like muck around with it anyway. Oh, here we go. So let's try this. Earn points, loyalty points, leaderboard, followers, mint list, contracts. So I click there. Is it going to ask me the same stuff? Oh, so I can claim it. There you go. Claim. Okay, so cool. I think I've claimed it. Yeah, so I got my 2,500 points. Cool. Yeah, so I went through all those steps and I just had to go around. So if you go back to, if you don't want to give your personal information over to for the other steps, I think if you just get the Gitcoin book, which is this one, the passport, you know, the sign in with Ethereum, and you do like all the stuff that they're asking for. I'll just quickly go there and show you guys again. Get back to that screen. Okay. Okay, refresh my stamps. Okay. There you go. Yeah, and you come back to this screen. Just do the ones, you know, that give away the least amount of information. Like, thankfully, my the most information I've given away is I think my Coinbase, which has all my you know, KYC AML. But I trust Coinbase more than I do Binance for some strange reason. And yeah, you should have enough points to go back to. If you go back to the link in the description I'm going to provide here, and just go to Linea build, and then if you've got 2,500 points, you can actually claim yeah, your points. And what can you do with that? I don't know what you can do with that. Yeah. So yeah, basically just do the top one, the Gitcoin pass score. If you want to do the rest, that's fine. If it's easy for you to do that, then more than welcome. And then I think let's see if there's anything we can actually do this. Remember, it's on the fly, guys. So I really apologize if I'm rambling or I'm just going on a bit all over the place. I'm trying to figure it out as we go along. Get started. Let's go back here. And this is how we learn. Help testing and earn points will set there. Okay, so let's start testing. Can I earn any more points? Okay. So there's a lot. See, so there's 1,906, well, 190,000 participants for the points campaign. Mint list. Can I mint anything? Oh, leaderboard. So let's see if I click add more here. Excuse me. I think that's all you can do. Requirement. So you go into Twitter space, Twitter engagement, Discord voice. Scroll down. Snapshot voter. So let's try that one. Snapshot voter. How do I? No. I mean, I've done snapshots before. Anyway, yeah, so that's basically the maximum amount of points you can get from doing that task. I'll leave links to all of it in the description. If you guys are interested in it, check it out. I should be back with another video, I think Thursday. Velodrome V2 is coming out. Uniswap made some announcement about V4 version 4. Apparently it's not, they said it's open source, but it's not. That's not very interesting either. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you feel so inclined. And yeah, if you're interested in participating in this potential airdrop by getting points doing these steps, then yeah, hop on board.